welcome back. Today 7 of my Alaskan quarantine. I was just gonna take a moment to brief you. I had a couple questions about my backpack that sits back there. Wanted to know if I liked it and what kind of backpack it was and how many bags that I carried, which I'll go over that more in a later video. I'll go through everything I bought for the trip and kind of just lay it out, kind of give you my pre and probably a post review of everything. But so far I've loved this backpack. Let me grab it. Okay. Now, this is just a tactical Molly backpack with Molly straps, plenty of Velcro for attachments. I'll see if I'll throw that in there. Sorry for the camera quality. This is what I used as my backpack to travel with on the plane, and I carried my cheapo headphones for the plug into the plane, and I carried a couple different Bluetooth headphones. These are like a Black Web brand. Not too much of a fan. They have a hard time charging, so I won't say much about those. The TOZO modeled Bluetooth headphones have been great. I've actually had these. I bought these not for just this trip, but I've had them for a while. So they've been through the gym, the saunas. They've gotten wet. They've gotten sweaty. They've gotten dirty. They charge really well in this case. I was able to charge this case in Huntsville, and it lasted me all day, on and off the plane. Especially comes in real handy if you're stuck in the airport like I was for 6 or 7 hours. I know that's not a lot for some folks, but that was long enough for me. Zip this back. There we go. This backpack did come with all these little carabiners. Now these are plastic. There we go. These are plastic, so they're not made for like really load bearing. They're just more there to aesthetics, I guess, and to clip your keys. Will hold your keys if you wanted to use that. The backpack did come with a water bottle holder I just clipped on, which did come in handy in Seattle when I had so much time on my hands. One big compartment which will hold a decent sized laptop. I do not have a small laptop, and it held it just fine. Holds my folders right now. Just a little gadget pot for chargers, earbuds, or wired earbuds to get on the plane. The main compartment has a mesh mat where I kept my stethoscope because I don't like parting with it. Has another mesh inside which I kept socks and clothes, and a big spot inside. I wish I carried 3 days of clothes. I've actually lived out of this backpack when in quarantine and just had my laundry done. Good solid straps on the back. Mesh. It's padded. Has a big Velcro pouch back here if you wanted to put a blanket or something in there to make it more padded, or more t-shirts. Chest strap, didn't use it. Waist strap, didn't use it. I was going through airports, wasn't climbing a mountain or rappelling or anything, so there's really no sense in me using that. There was a couple things I used a bunch, and I figured I'd go ahead and tell you about those when I got this out. Charger pack by Red Power. It's got a 3, but you may not be able to see it really good, 3-port charging system, on and off button. So if you do unplug your phone and you plug it back up, you're going to have to hit start back to get it recharged back. 26,800 milliamp power supply. It was able to keep my phone charged, keep my earphone, charge my earphone case. It's charged several things, and it's still got 4 bars on it, so I haven't even had to use it very much. I also carried in this bag was my first set ever of camera lenses for your iPhone or iPad. I used it on my laptop too. I actually have one of the wide angle lenses on there right now. So it's got multiple lenses, including the fisheye, and different strength lenses. The only thing I do wish I had bought, especially from my hotel, window in 7 floors up and I can see across the bay, is I wish I had bought the case with the telephoto lens in it, or just one of the nice telephoto lenses for my phone by itself. But I just want to make this video really short and sweet. I just figured I'd answer that question when I had so much time on my hands up here. Alright, let me make sure. Oh, also the Garmin Venue watch It's awesome. I haven't worn it really since I've been in the hotel room, because all I need to know is what day it is at this point. Alright, I did get, this backpack did also come with the Velcro back, or hook and latch Velcro back flag. I did buy my Titan shield separate. I'll put a link for that there. And I had this made. This was also an Amazon Prime purchase right here. If you want one, do not make the mistake I did. I thought I was ordering a Velcro back, but when it came in, I had actually ordered the sewn on, so I had to go buy me some double-sided Velcro tape, which has held on just fine. It's not that big of a deal. It's not like something I'm going to take on and off continuously, so it'll be fine. But I'll put all the links to just this stuff, which I actually bought all this right here on Amazon because I was in such a rush to get it, and the prices were better, so I can't complain. But I'll put all the links to these in the descriptions below, so you can check them out if you're looking for something like this or something to store. I highly recommend pretty much everything I showed you. If something happens and it starts to fall apart during this trip or on the way back, at the end I'll tell you that too. I'll tell you the good, bad, and the ugly of all this. But if you have any more questions or anything else you want to see, just let me know. When I get in Accutane next week, I'll actually, when I start to unpack my duffels, I'll show you the two duffels that I bought, which I've been very pleased with. The clothes, the socks, the extra chargers, and all that I also bought. I bought most of my stuff off Amazon. I'll show you everything I bought, tell you what I think about it, and I'll put the links down there or answer any questions you have. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Until then, please give me the thumbs up on this video and follow my channel and ring that little bell over there so you know when I post something else. Until then, have a good day. I realized that the video wasn't that great on the products. I'll show you that again. There's my earbuds, and then my collection of lenses for my camera. You will notice that it's missing the little piece on the right, where that's the clamp that's currently on my phone. And then here's a little bit better shot of the carabiners and the Molly on my tactical backpack. And there's the Rave Power battery pack's a little heavier, but hey, you're kind of paying for the charge time, so it's going to be a little heavier. And then I'll leave you with a scene from my window.